Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rishi Rats. In this video we are going to look at Windows 11, and this is just we are just going to see how Windows 11 is. This is not in-depth review, and just we will roam here and there in its user interface. That's it, nothing much. So thanks for clicking, and I hope you enjoy the video, and also please consider subscribing. So guys, finally welcome to Windows 11. This is a new version of Windows, and it is going to be launched on 24th of June. uh, as you can see here, it is Windows 11. So there are couple of new features, and I don't know how much it is optimized, but because I'm using it on virtual machine, but I hope it's optimized really good. So as you can see, it's totally UI changed, not 100%. It does shows that the glimpse of Windows 10, but um, many aspects of UI has been changed. As you can see, now many of the buttons will have rounded edge. Start button has been changed, and also it has been by default aligned in the middle. Here Netflix, Photoshop, Twitter, PixArt was pre-installed, and this is new Windows dashboard. It asks you to log in. I haven't. And this is the task queue function. Multiple desktops. So first thing is this your new icon pack. You can see all these new icons over here, and yeah, new tunes are there. Also Windows startup tune is back. It is different, and also I've noticed that buttons have a spacing between them. I think it is something to do with touchscreen functionality, I guess. Microsoft will push more touchscreen devices, I guess. Also many animations are there. It's even minimizing and maximizing has animation. Also what I have noticed is something really great, which I really like personally, is now when you hover your cursor over this maximize button, you have these functions. You can select in which side do you want this window, like this, or I will start edge and put it in this corner. It is already done for you. It's not like you have to do by yourself, arrange those. And if you will directly click on them, they will do what their default functionality is. And also I guess also PowerShell has many tabs. I just saw it. There it is. I'll show. Yes, now PowerShell has tabs just like Linux. You can have as many tabs open as you want. Oh, and you can also rename those. Yes, quite nice feature. I guess that's it for first impression. I think there might be ads included in the final consumer build. I don't know why I feel like that. Also, this operating system looks like it is very touch optimized. Like I guess they are going to launch many touchscreen devices in future. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. Tell me what you think about Windows 11, and also please do comment in the comment box on which video do you want next. That's it for today. Thanks.